Hello and welcome to a new session of web application design using Flask. So we are continuing now rendering. In last session we have seen how to render the HTML pages and how to render the HTML pages with the values also. We have seen some Jinja 2 templating engine, how exactly it works, how we are calling the HTML pages from Jinja 2. Now in this session we are going to see two concepts: how to pass the dictionary to the HTML page and how to use that dictionary using a for loop on the HTML page with a simple and specific example here. How to do that we'll see by the practical application here in it. So I'll have my own information. I will pass that information from HTML page to the from Python page to HTML page, and then how to use it, that also we'll see. So let's create a new file and I'll save that file as info.py. Okay, so let's start. Okay, create the object. Fine. Okay, so let's create a function whose name is info here. We can pass route. Okay, so let's have, okay, so let's make use of that particular parameter. So I will not use any specific route there. Let's make a function info, and now I want to pass my information. Okay, just like data is equal to, okay, and let's create a dictionary here which will contain my information, like for example my name. Okay, name colon, and let's pass the name to Sharkute, comma, let's add the age also, 36, and marks. Okay, marks is equal to, for example, 65.80. okay, so this dictionary I have created, and I will be passing multiple kind of information from the Python page, Python program to the HTML code here. So in this way you can just pass it. Now let's return the render. So let's return. I just want to render the template. So render template. Okay, so which template you have to render? Information.html by what? So we just have to specify some values there. Okay, so values like, sorry, here it is showing error, so it should be colon. Yeah. Okay, so what value? Value is equal to data. Okay, parameter is value, I am passing data. So that data carries multiple things. Remember that when we have to pass different kind of information, so we have to write all together in a dictionary format like this, which dictionary I have created. I will be passing that dictionary from this page to the HTML page, and now HTML page will render that information, will use that information in the form of the dictionary, and it will extract same way that we use in dictionary also in Python. Okay, so that's done. Now I need to create this file, information.html. so let's create it. Okay, so I'm creating this information.html file, and here in the tabular format I will print that information. Okay, my information. Okay, and use the body. And inside that let's use the table. Table is a border here, border number 3, just an example. Complete it. Now let's see. So here I can make use of this dictionary. You might have seen how to use the for loop to extract the dictionary. Okay, how to use it. So let's see. For, okay, for key comma value in. Okay, so what's a parameter you pass here? Value actually. Okay, so data value. Okay, let's use info parameter here. So here also parameter will be info. It will be easy for us to understand. Info dot items. So items is a method which returns the tuple of key value pairs as we know from the dictionary. Okay, it will extract one by one, store into the key and value. So key and value, like key will be name, value Tushar Puti, key is age, value 36, key is marks, value 65.80. Fine, extract it, and let's go to write them in row by row. So let's add the row. Okay, so it's not completed. TR. Okay, and now add one by one. Okay, so first is TH. Let's use first of all I require to write in this key. So whatever key I extracted, I'll write it here, and the data for that is T making use of the value, correct, in this way. Okay, so just check it out how, sorry, it's 3 should not be in quote, it's showing error there. Fine, so one by one I have taken. Okay, and then when the for loop is completed, I need to finish that using end for. Fine, it's completed. So from this info items, I'll be taking one by one item, and then from key and value I'll be taking, so name, and in front of that the value will be printed again, then age, then marks, and a table will be generated, and that will print the respective information which is gathered from the Python program into HTML code, like that. Okay, I think everything is okay now. Yeah, the prod is completed, and let's run that. Yeah, fine, funny. On with default route I am using it, so let's open it. Template not found, sorry, just a minute. A template is not stored over there, so template is stored, okay, it should be in templates folder, that's why it is showing this kind of errors there. Fresh, yes, check it. It has called the template by passing the information to it, name, value, key, value, like that, which is extracted from a Python code and given to the HTML code, and it has printed this information in this particular format over here. So this is the mechanism that we pass the data, and we can make use of a for loop also to perform many specific operation on the HTML code by using the Jinja 2 templating engine. And templates will be extracted used by this particular method and mechanism, and we just can make use of this particular concept perfectly by connecting all of these things together. This is how the rendering is possible. Just try by your own example, by your own data, own methodologies, and write the code of your own. Thank you. Thanks a lot.